Hey guys, welcome back to Chemistry TV. Now let's look at some example possible question in organic chemistry 2, which called higher organic chemistry. And the topic I want to look at, you go to look at what alkanols. Now if you check this on here, you got the structure of what? Of two butene, one or I'm going to show you how to do that here. Now here I want to look at cover the structure of what? Two propane thiol. So I'm going to teach you how to name thiols in this video here because I want to sit in the exam. Then look at this question. They say give the structure of the compound form when two butanol is treated with zinc amalgam in hot HCl. Now this one is under what reaction of what carbonyl, ketone and aldehyde reduction aspect. So I'm going to teach you the reduction aspect of what of the ketones and aldehyde. So you want to stick to the end of this video here because now I'm not only solving the question here. I'm also explaining. I'm also teaching the topic, explaining what the topic and things you are supposed to know under this topic. That is why this class is very interesting. This is one of the best class I want to see before your examination. Then next is going to be what organic compound can be obtained from the hydrolysis of what acid anhydride. So acid anhydride is one carboxylic acid derivatives. You understand? I'm going to teach you the three main type of reaction they undergo. So I'm not only going to teach you when they undergo what hydrolysis. You understand? But I'm still going to teach you the three type of reaction acid and anhydride undergo, because if you not see this question in your exam, you see the remaining two. So that's why you want to stick to the end of this video here. So here we have question 5. Which derivative of carboxylic acid is the most reactive? I'm going to explain everything to you in this video here. Then give the structure of the word amine form by the reaction of methyl propanoate and ammonia. You see these questions here, you are going to see them in your exam, and they are strong exam possible questions. So let's dive into it. So make sure you have your pen, your calculator. So sorry, make sure you have your pen and your notebook to follow what this video here. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the first one. Draw the structure of two butene, one or. Now this one is called unsaturated alcohol. Just so I will break down for you to understand. So if for example you have CH3, CH2, 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 OH. Again, is an alcohol, just an alcohol, which is called alkanol. Alkanol. You get, so how many carbon do you have here? You have 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So it's supposed to be odd. Now, if you remember, alkanols are big derived from corresponding alkanes. So you remove the E, you replace what OL. For example, you have alkanes. So when you remove the E, you replace what with OL, it's called alkanol. Do you understand? So if for example now you now have 4 carbon here, so it's supposed to be what butanol. Do you understand? It's what butanol. So now, but what you want to understand here is that the position of the OH matters a lot. The carbon to carry the OH must have the what lowest possible number. So that is this carbon. So the position of this OH is carbon 1. So it's going to be one butanol. Do you understand? 1 butanol. Right? Now, if I have something like this, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Now, the position of the carbon of the OH here, or the carbon to carry OH is going to be carbon 2. So it's going to be 2 butanol. Just like what I said, I'm not only going to explain here, I'm still going to explain the topic so that you understand. So as I watch it, by the time you finish watching this video here, you have covered like 3 to 4 topics in your organic chemistry too. Just and so that is the essence of this video. So the essence of this video is not just to solve the problem or solve the question, but to explain the topic to you. So even though you're a beginner or you don't know what the topic is all about, you still understand better. Do you get that? So if you check this one here, these one are called saturated alcohol. Saturated alcohol. Now the main reason why it's called saturated alcohol because the alcohol have only single bonds. If for example here, let's take higher here. If for example here we have CH3, CH2, C, here we have Cl, C, Bro, CH3, here we have C, OH, here we have CH3. So how do we name this thing here? Now, if you are very good in organic chemistry, pause the video and leave your answer at the comment section. I want to hear from you. You get, leave your answer at the comment section. So now, if for example here I have this compound here, how do I name it? Remember, the OH will take what my priority. So the carbon atom that carry the OH must have the lowest possible number. Just and so I must number it such a way that the carbon atom carry the OH must have the lowest possible number. So then I'm going to start from this point here. Do you understand? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do you understand? So here and I have what? So what is name? So going to be 2 hexanol. Do you understand? 2 hexanol. That's what the parent name, right? Because 6 carbon OH are coming out to so 2 hexanol, right? Now here we have three substituents here. Here we have bromo. Here we have what's methyl, and here we have what's chloro, right? So what happens here? We must arrange substituent alphabetically. So here we have 3 bromo. Here we have other bromine chlorine, right? 4 chloro. Then here we have 3 methyl what? 2 hexanol. Right there. In the exam, look at something. In the exam, they might give this instruction in the exam and say you should draw it. Just 3 bromo, 4 chloro, 3 methyl, 2 hexanol. Now in the exam, guess what? You'll be given this structure here and they say you should name you'll be given the hyperacronym of this here and they say you should draw this structure, which I'm going to explain to you now. 2 hexanol. Just 2 hexanol. That is eggs. That is 6 carbon atom here. Do you understand? So let's imagine that we don't know the structure. And they say you should draw it. So how do you do that here? So therefore you take what the parent chain. The parent name is always what the last one. Do you understand? So which was 2 hexanol. Hexanol means what? Alcohol with 6 carbon atom. Then the origin account number 2. So I can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? Now the main reason why I say because it's eggs. Do you understand? Now I can start my name anywhere. I can start my name from here and I can start my name from here. Do you understand? So if I decide to start my name from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. What happened here? My carbon atom to add OH, so you have OH, right? Now, carbon atom 3 have a bromo. So because you come have bromo, chloro, and what inside, do you understand? I carbon atom 3 have a bromo. So yeah, I can just come here and put what my bromo here. Do you understand? I carbon atom 4 have a chloro, I can put what my chloro here, right? I carbon atom 3 again, I have what a methyl. So yeah, I have what CH3. Do you understand? Now I'm done with structure. The next I want to do now is what? This is what my hydrogen. Remember, carbon must have 4 bonds, right? Carbon must have 4 bonds. So for carbon to have 4 bonds here, I have to place 3 hydrogen. So you have 1, 2, and what? And 3. Yeah, here's already 3. I have to put 1 here. So you have what? 1. Just that here's already having 4. Here's having 3, 1. Here's going to be 2. Here's going to be what? 3. Just now, so this is what is structure. Now, what I just explained to you that is called saturated alcohol. That is alcohol with just single bond. Now, but this question you're seeing here is a double bond. So now let's go over it again. Now let's go over what we have done again. Now imagine you now have CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2, CH, OH, and what CH3. It's okay. Now if you check this compound here, it have both OH and a double bond here. Just OH and what double bond here. So it have 2 functional groups here, alkene and what OH. So it's called unsaturated. It's called unsaturated alkanol. Do you understand? Unsaturated. That is alkanol with what? With the double bond. It's called alkanol. It's called what? Alkanol. So it's called what? Alkanol. So we have 2 functional groups here. Here we have En and OL. So this is the alcohol. This is what the double bond here. Just so this one is what is double bond. Here is what? Here is what OH. Now, when you have OH and a double bond on the same chain, OH have the highest priority. Do you understand? OH has the highest priority because when we look at the functional group here, each functional group are the functional group are being ranked in order. Do you understand? So we have OH and what and a double bond here. OH comes first. You get so OH is the parent chain. So when you are naming, the OH must have the lowest possible number, irrespective of what of the double bonds. Hope you understand. So when you have something like this here, you consider the OH. So you number in favor of the OH. That is the OH must have the what lowest possible what number. Do you understand? The OH must have what lowest possible what number. The OH must have the what lowest possible number. So let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? So how do we name this here? So you have to take it one step by step. You are taking one step by step. So here we have how many carbohydrates here? Here we have 6. Supposed to be hexane. As means there's no as in there's no OH I want to do, but just now here I now have OH here. So the E will change to what OL. So A's and no, right? Now what the position here? The position is what is 2. So you can do what 2 X and no. Right there. Now remember 2 X and no is also the same as what? Za 2 O. Do you understand? Now these two are the same. But I like this guy here because now the main reason why I like this one here so that in case I have another function I can just place it there. Now in the case of this one here, I have a double bond, so it's not just exact 2 O. Now because I have a double bond here, do you understand? Now double bond here to show that there's a double bond here, the A will change to E. So instead of saying exact 2 O, it's going to be zin 2 O. Can you see that? Exin 2O, right? Now, but what is the position of the functional group here? The carbon that carry double bond here, here is 4. So it can be 4 X2O, or you can say X 4 X4 in 2 or now if you don't understand here, you have to pause the video and reverse it so you understand better. So here we have X4 in 2 or what does it mean? It means that 6 carbon atom carry what a double bond account number 4 and carry OH and account number 2. That is so this is called unsaturated alcohol. There's alcohol that carry what a double bond. Do you understand? So now let's imagine that we are being given this structure to draw. Just now, let's imagine that they gave us this structure to do because just like the way they gave us this one. You understand? Just like the way they gave us that one there. Remember, I told you that this will also be what? 4 Xin 2O, right? The two of them are the same. Do you understand? So now let's imagine that we are being given this structure to draw. How are we going to do that? X means what? X means for 6 carbon atoms. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that? So now, so I can start by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, account number 4 I have a double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon number 4, between carbon number 4 and carbon number 5, there's a double bond here. Do you understand? It was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, carbon number 4. So between 4 and 5, there's a double bond. Do you understand? Now, OH 2O means what? O means what? OH here. Account number what? Account number 2. Do you understand? So what are you going to do here? What are you going to do here? So do what I'm going to do. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have. Remember, just for to give the hydrogens. Do you understand? So all the carbon atoms must have their octets. 4 bonds. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Do you understand? So these are the structure of this one here. Now, but this is what they say should draw here. Now, with what I've drawn here, you should be able to draw this one here. So go ahead and draw that one in your notes. So let's see if you can get it. Draw that one inside your note now. Draw that one inside your notes. Draw that inside your notes now. Very important. Draw that inside your notes. Draw that inside your notes. Draw that inside your notes. So it means that look at something here. Let's draw it here. Boot. Boot means what? 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4. 4 carbon atom. Right? So I can mark. So here I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So I can number 2, I have a double bond here. Here we have double bond here, right? I can number 1, I have what? OH. Here we have OH. Can you see that? Hope you understand. So next is to place hydrogen. So you have 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is structure. So we are done with this one here. Hope you understand. That is structure. If you got the answer, leave at the comment section that you got the answer. So let's move to the next one.